Hello there. Let's go for another Fibble where every line contains a line. Um, Starting word today is circa. Like circa 2070, for instance. Anyway, let's see what we can do with that. And today's National Math Day in Brazil. If I had one space left, I would try circle. But sadly, that's a 6-letter word. Mm, Circus would also be nice here, but again, 6-letter word. Let's suppose there is none. Let's try crops. Oh, so these can't be both true. This is true. This is true. Mm, Oh, if I suppose there is a C, then there is none of these. Okay, let's see. That's right. Cable. Sorry. Cable. All shades of C. There is no A. But these can't be both true. One of these two must be a lie. Let's try these. Oh, but I was thinking of sin, but then I need a second lie here. Well, let's try sin anyway. That wasn't brilliant at all. Well, these can't be both true. We know for sure there is an E because one of these two is true. At least one of these two. I'm thinking this and this. This and this be the lies. Oh, but then I only have one E. Well, let's try that anyway. So, these can't be both true. Either this here or it's not here. Anyway, this is true. This is true. This is true. This is true. And this is true. Most likely this is true, so let's try this is a lie. Maybe this is a lie. This is a lie. This is a lie. Something like that. event, but we only have one E. I don't think that's a word in English, but yeah, that's not working. How about we make this the other way around? Or no, I'm not seeing a word here. Oh, this is hard. Well, let's see other thing. The E is not here, the E is not here. E must be one of the three first letters. A word, not a word. Well, surely not that, but let's try any. Wow, that was good. Hmm. So let's suppose the E is here. This should be true. This should be true, but this would also be true, and the N can't be here. So this can't be a lie. We know for sure there is an E. This is true. So either we have an E in the beginning or we have an E here. So let's suppose we have an E in the beginning. This is a lie. This would be true. Most likely this would be a lie. So we would have I would work. Oh, it would. How about enjoy? Not my bad. Bye for now.